Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're jumping into the future. We're re-talking about the AI tools that are quietly emerging right now, but are set to absolutely explode by 2026. If you want to get ahead of the curve and start building serious wealth, you need to know about these before everyone else does. These aren't just cool gadgets, they're game changers for business, investing, and personal finance. Let's dive in. First up is a tool called Julius AI. Think of it as a superpowered data analyst in your pocket. You can upload any kind of data sales figures, stock market trends, customer feedback, and just ask it questions in plain English. For example, you could ask, "What was my most profitable product last quarter?" Or show me the correlation between ad spend and website traffic. It visualizes the data for you, finds hidden patterns, and basically does the work of an entire data science team. Imagine using this to optimize your business or make smarter investment decisions. It's incredibly powerful. Next on the list is a platform called Mindverse. This isn't just another content creator. It's a personalized AI brain. It studies your unique style, your expertise, and your brand voice. Then, it can generate hyper-realistic content that sounds exactly like you, from social media posts and newsletters to entire online courses. For entrepreneurs and creators, this means you can scale your presence and your business without diluting your brand or spending all your time writing. It's like cloning your expertise, freeing you up to focus on the big picture. Number 3 is Gamma. We've all sat through boring PowerPoint presentations. Gamma is here to kill them for good. This tool lets you create beautiful, interactive, and engaging presentations, documents, or websites just by typing. You describe what you want, and it designs the layout, finds images, and formats everything perfectly. For anyone who needs to pitch an idea, whether it's to investors, clients, or your boss, Gamma makes your message look professional and compelling, which directly translates to more closed deals and more money. Coming in at number 4 is my personal favorite, a tool called Cree AI. This is a real-time AI image and video generator. What does that mean? It means you can literally draw a rough sketch or move shapes around on a canvas, and Cree will instantly turn it into a high-quality, professional image. It's revolutionizing design. You can create logos, product mock-ups, or stunning visuals for your marketing campaigns in seconds without needing any design skills. This drastically cuts costs and speeds up the creative process for any business. Fifth, let's talk about Perplexity AI. This is what search engines are evolving into. Instead of just giving you a list of links, Perplexity understands your question and gives you a direct, summarized answer with all the sources cited. It's like having a conversation with a brilliant research assistant. For market research, learning a new skill, or just staying informed, this tool saves you hours of digging through websites. Time is money, and Perplexity gives you back a ton of your time. Number 6 is a fascinating tool called Suno AI. This is an AI music generator. You can type in any prompt, like a soulful acoustic song about starting a new business, and it will generate a completely original, radio-quality song with vocals and instruments. For content creators, filmmakers, or advertisers, this is a goldmine. You no longer have to pay for expensive stock music licenses. You can create the perfect custom soundtrack for your projects in minutes, making your content stand out and feel more professional. Finally, number 7 is Cognition Labs Devin AI. This is the one that has everyone in the tech world talking. Devin is being called the first AI software engineer. You can give it a complex software development task, and it will plan and execute the entire project on its own, debugging its own code along the way. While it's still new, the potential is mind-boggling. Imagine being able to build an app, a website, or a custom software tool for your business without writing a single line of code. This will empower a whole new generation of entrepreneurs. So there you have it, 7 AI tools that are poised to create massive wealth by 2026. The key is to start learning and using them now while they're still under the radar. Find the one that best fits your goals and start experimenting. The future is coming fast, and the people who adapt first will be the ones who benefit the most. Thanks for watching, and if you got value from this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology and wealth. See you in the next one.